right? But what I've been doing lately is I've been doing so good with my options to where I could at least make anywhere from a quick 50 to 150, 200 bucks a day. I've been using that money to use as my dollar cost investment. So my options and my profit that I make from the stock market are paying for my reoccurring investment. And yo, what's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beats TV. Come to you today, another special video. What's good? What's happening, YouTube? It's your man OG Bo Beats, and I'm back with another video for you today. So today I'm gonna give y'all a quick update on my investment portfolio. I know it's been a minute, but I just been chilling, letting it build up. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, all that good stuff. So today I just want to tell y'all a couple strategies and things I've been doing as I take my time and be patient and learn more and more about the stock market and about investing. I'm generally self-taught. I'm not an expert. This is not advice to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just going to tell y'all what I do, but I also am going to give y'all a little bit of game for those newer investors. So right here, I got Ethereum pulled up on the screen, and I got this pulled up for a reason, y'all, because I recently got about a half a coin of Ethereum when Ethereum had dropped down to like 2,200, right around 2,300 actually. A couple weeks ago. I knew it was down because Ethereum had been in the $3,000 range for quite a while. I personally think Ethereum is going to shoot through the moon. It's just a matter of time and patience. Patience is key, y'all. Y'all going to keep hearing me say this. Patient, patient, patient. You're not going to get rich quick. This is not an overnight scheme. Investing and understanding the stock market and crypto takes a lot of patience and constant research. Anyway, so I was able to purchase a half a coin of Ethereum for around 2,300, right at 2,300, I'm gonna say. And even with Ethereum being down today, as we speak, it is down 4% today. Bitcoin, a lot of the coins took a big hit today. A lot of people don't understand why people just liquidating and selling out. I guess it is what it is. Bitcoin dropped down to like 57,000. I think it was 56 at one point. Anyway, even with that being said, I'm still up a slight 10% in my investment. You see, I have a total return of 121, 122 because this is live as we sit here. All right, now I fully expect Ethereum to eventually shoot back up. I'm not worried about it. I actually plan on starting the dollar cost average more into it so I can get a whole Ethereum. Quick story, I had a bunch of Ethereum back in the day when it was real cheap. I didn't know what I had. I got rid of it at too early, and it is what it is. And then I had it again, sold it, made profit. So I've also bought and sold a lot of my crypto coins a lot of time just to make profit because I don't like to hold certain stuff. But I wanted to show you this Ethereum because I bought this half a coin of Ethereum from my most favorite stock in the stock market, which is Apple. All right, so we're gonna go to Apple real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all my Apple investment. All right, we're gonna go to Apple. So I invest in Apple every day. I've been investing in Apple every day since 2022, the beginning of 2022. I've been dollar cost averaging, and I talk about it a lot in my previous videos, and I tell everybody just start doing this. I don't care if it's $2 a day, $5 a day. If you can do $10 to $12 a day, $15, $20 a day, and constantly and consistently do it, it will work in your favor eventually, right? Eventually. You got to go through the ups and the downs, but it will. So I've been investing in Apple, and as you know, Apple had been down a lot earlier in the year, and then around June this year, it started to pump up. It pumped, got all the way up to 237, and came back down a little bit. I took some profit because I was heavy in profit, and then I bought that Ethereum. And guess what? Ever since then, I've still been dollar cost averaging in the Apple. So as you can see right now, as of today, Apple is $224.83. As we speak, it's up 1.35% on the day, looks like they say, and which is like $2 in the last week. Apple is up 16 bucks or 7%. In the last month is down 4%, but in the last 3 months, again, it's up 19% or 36 bucks, and year to date it's up 20% or 37 bucks. So that's per share, by the way. So that's the the pros of dollar cost investing. The idea is to get as many shares of that stock that you're dollar cost averaging in as possible. You want to accumulate shares because when you have shares in good companies, chances are, if you look historically, the company will grow. Apple is not going anywhere. I think Microsoft, obviously, Nvidia is one of the up and coming companies. Even Tesla, though it has its ups and downs, is a good company to invest in, and a lot of other things. All right, so that's Apple. That's what it's doing today. It was a good day today for me. Like, even without doing options, it's always a good day in Apple. So let's look at some of my Apple. Right now, I have a total market value of $14,090. My average cost is $171, right? We just said that the shares was $225, $224, and my average cost is $171. All right, so I basically am up 31% or $3,358 total profit. Free money, not free, but my profit. I got 62.65 shares. Now, when I sold my Apple to buy Ethereum, I think I had 67 shares, so I sold like 5 or 6 shares plus a little money I had in my brokerage already, and then I bought that half of Ethereum. Now, and also, look at this, I didn't even realize this, but I also have a dividend payment coming from Apple, which is $15.60. That should be coming today, August 15th, and I think it's like 25 cents per share for dividends for Apple. They do dividend payouts quarterly throughout the year, so 4 times a year. And then my recurring investment right now, I just have it at $15 a day. But this is what I wanted to talk to you about, that recurring investment. So I've been doing options, right? Stock options. If you don't know what it is, I got a couple videos. Do your own research. It's risky. You can lose money. Most people lose money on options, but I've been learning, I've been understanding, and I've been able to capitalize. Now, I switched my account to a cash account. If you don't know what that is, basically, if you have an account that's under $25,000 on your brokerage account, or let's just use Robinhood, you only can day trade 3 times per week, or in a 5-day span. Once you get that 3rd day trade, you have to wait until the next one, the first one you made, is cleared. But when you have a cash account, you can trade constantly, except that the money that you use that day is gone when you use it, and it won't settle back into the next day. So even if you do an option and you made money, once you sell that option, it won't show up until the next day, or vice versa. If you lose, that loss won't show up until the next day, but the money you use for that option also will be gone. So I got a cash account. So this is what I've been doing for the last couple weeks, right? So I buy $15 of Apple per day. I also buy $12 of Nvidia. I've been buying per day for the product, more than the last couple of weeks. But I've been doing this here strategy for the last couple of weeks that I'm about to tell you all, is that I've been playing options, right? I've been scalping. I play a lot of SPY usually for my options. And when I say scalping, I mean I'm just not trying to make the most money possible. I'm just trying to get in, get out, make the profit, and go, right? And again, this options is a whole nother class. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, look it up, watch some of my videos. It'll help explain it. But it's a way for you to make money when the stock goes up or down without actually buying the stock. So I've been doing that for quite a while. I made a lot of money doing options. I've lost a lot of money, right? But what I've been doing lately is I've been doing so good with my options to where I could at least make anywhere from a quick 50 to 150, 200 bucks a day. I've been using that money to use as my dollar cost investment. So my options and my profit that I make from the stock market are paying for my reoccurring investment. And it's a beautiful thing, y'all, because as my money builds up with the options, and some days I may lose a little bit, I try to keep my losses short by using a stop loss. Very helpful tool. Big shout out to Keenan Grace and KGU for really instilling that use of a stop loss. But I keep my losses small, and then I get in and get out. So it's been a good thing. I've been able to monopolize with my options win, and that money goes right back into my brokerage account the next day, because I told you I've been doing a cash account. Once that money settles, it pops back up the next day, pays for my dollar cost average. So I'm accumulating shares of Apple. Like I told you, I had 67 maybe a couple weeks ago when I bought that Ethereum. And now I'm already back up to, what do I have right now? 62.6. And I could buy more if I wanted to. I could probably just buy that back, but I'm just letting it build on its own. Same thing with my Nvidia. I'm gonna go to my Nvidia. I don't have that much Nvidia, but I did the same concept with Nvidia. Sold a couple shares to do something, and now I'm right back. I think I had got up to 12 shares. Now this is once the stock had split back in July, I think, when Nvidia split. So as you can see, I have, for currently, let's just talk about that. Nvidia is 122.17. Nvidia has been up and down. Last week though, it's been up 25%, $24 in the last week. I really wish I had some long options on these. I should have done that, but I didn't. In the last month, it's down. In the last 3 months, it's up 32%. And year to date, Nvidia is up 148%. Y'all can't make this up. So right now, Nvidia is 122. I have an average cost of 117. Not too bad. And I have 11.8 shares. And I'm up 52 bucks. Because like I said, Nvidia had just took a little hit during that little pullback. And as you see, I've been buying $12 a day. But the main thing I want to hit home is I'm paying for my dollar cost averaging by taking the profit off my options, whether it's a call or whether it's a put, and keeping it in my brokerage account and having that money for my dollar cost average come out of my brokerage account. Now, in order for this to work, you have to be successful with the options. And again, I'm not saying that anybody can do that, but I'm telling you that's my strategy, and it's working, and it's saving me money, and it's building my account. So I just wanted to run that by y'all, man, as one of the methods that I use. And I just love it because I continue to accumulate my shares of Apple. I still have a goal for 100 shares by the end of the year. I know it's getting kind of late in the year for Apple, but I plan on upping my daily average is 15. I may end up going to 25 here soon. And it is what it is, but we'll see, man. But just wanted to hit y'all with this information, give y'all an update on my challenge. Like I said, at this point, I've been dollar cost averaging all of 2022, all of 2023, and all of 2024 in the 8th month. So, yeah, that's a lot of months. 12, 24 plus 8, so like 32 months of dollar cost averaging, and I accumulated all this Apple. So, in profit. So, hope you learned something from the video. Leave a comment, like the video, share your thoughts. It's your man OG Bo Beats, and I'm out. Peace.